La la la. La la la. Getting closer to being done. Wait, what was that? Whoa, what are you guys doing here? Whoa, no, 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 no. What are you guys doing here? It's not time. It's not time for the next Fix It Garage video. I'm not ready. I'm still working on the car. I know you guys want that Subaru Beetle content, but it's not time yet. I'm still working on it, trying to get things done to get the car finished so you guys can see this thing run and drive again. But it's not ready. No, you guys are gonna have to wait for that. That was not supposed to, you weren't supposed to see any of that. I know, you guys want to see a Fix It Garage video, but I'm not ready to show you any more Subaru content. But I do have a little fun project that I did a little while ago, where we lifted my buddy's BRZ, and I think today is the perfect day to show you guys that video. So let's go ahead and let's roll that video. What is going on today, everyone? Welcome back to Fix It Garage and a special little project that we have today. You guys all remember Bob, the guy who taught me how to weld? You know, Bob. Yeah, that Bob. The guy that I autocross with, drives the BRZ, and he's helped me learn how to weld. Well, he's bringing his BRZ here today. We're gonna be lifting it. Yes, lifting it. Wowie car! In the wintertime, he likes to lift his car, so that way then he has a little bit more ground clearance. He can run snow tires, and it just makes it way more fun to drive in the winter, in the rain, and if it snows in the snow. Before we get started on today's work, if you guys like what you see, don't forget to smash that like button, leave your comments and thoughts down below, and don't forget to subscribe so you guys don't miss any future Fix It Garage videos. But with that being said, let's get started on lifting this BRZ.
F adjacent.
Hold on, let's see.
See?
Does this look like an F to you guys? Because it doesn't to me. Now that we're about halfway through the project, I'm gonna interrupt and explain some things really quick. So on his car, during the racing season, when he autocrosses and other things like that, he has some really nice feel suspension. You know, Odi Bakshi's, that car, yeah, that's his suspension company and that's what he runs on his car. It also happens to be the coilovers that I would like to get for this car at some point. Hopefully for next season, if not the season after, but we'll see on that. But I would like to switch over from Öhlins to Feel Suspension because they have way more support and they are way easier to get a hold of when you have questions or you want to change parts. But when he goes to lift it, he runs the stock suspension with a lift spacer. Those lift spacers are made by Anderson Design Fabrication, or ADF. I will put a picture of them right here. These guys. And I'll put a link to them down below as well. Those guys made the lift spacers for his BRZ. I've also thought about getting lift spacers put on this in the wintertime, maybe do a similar setup. I'm gonna let you guys decide that at the end of today's video, but that's enough of me rambling. Let's cut right back to working on the car. All right, suspension is done. Along with running rear shocks with the lift spacer, he also runs a different sway bar. Why? Because he can, it's his car, and he sets it up so he can have lots of fun in the wintertime. But all the suspension work is done, it's time to go out and have a little bit of fun. And that's how you lift a fake Subaru. And that's how you lift a Toyota. And that's how you lift a Subaru.